Hi there, fellow readers. Today we'll do a quick analysis of the epic poem Beowulf. The story of Beowulf follows our protagonist, the so-called Beowulf, as he encounters three major adversaries throughout his lifetime. This is an old English text, one of the oldest in fact, from the Anglo-Saxon period. The manuscript that is in current circulation is dated to be about the 11th century. There are many different ways to analyze the story of Beowulf, but today I want to talk about the heroic qualities that we see in Beowulf. So how do we know that he's a hero? There are many passages in the poem that give us indications that he is a warrior, one who is looking for honor and glory. To give us an idea of what a hero means in this society, the poet offers us this example.
Behavior that's admired is the path to power among people everywhere.
The first opponent that we're introduced to in this story is Grendel. He is described as being treacherous, a shadow walker, and he is causing havoc and chaos for the Danes.
Then a powerful demon, a prowler through the dark, nursed a hard grievance. Malignant by nature, he never showed remorse.
Beowulf and his men are fairly confident that they can take on Grendel.
The party sat, proud in their bearing, strong and stalwart.
Our protagonist is not afraid to boast about his heroic qualities, his strength. He speaks in an eloquent way.
He knows he can trample down you Danes to his heart's content, humiliate and murder without fear of reprisal. But he will find me different.
Once Beowulf defeats Grendel, he is praised by the king of the Danes.
But you have made yourself immortal by your glorious action.
All of these examples show how Beowulf is painted as a hero in this story. He is one that does good deeds for other people. He is seeking glory by servicing others.
Why, sir, do not grieve. It is always better to avenge dear ones than to indulge in mourning. Let whoever can win glory before death. When a warrior is gone, that will be his best and only bulwark.
All these passages from the poem help us to analyze it and understand that Beowulf is characterized as a hero. Thank you for watching, and keep on reading.